Hi, my name is Joe Novak, and I'm here with BreakOut Studios. And today we've put together a couple different tutorial type exercises to help you with your strength and balance for jazz technique dance. Okay, so today we're learning a nice brief jazz combo. It's going to be two different jazz technique steps. It's going to be a back stoop new into a batma sequence, okay? So two back stoop news into two batmas. The way to do a back stoop new, you're coming through second, and you're coming up in a nice tight susu, which is just bringing your arms together and coming up in a nice tight fifth with your back leg going behind you. When you bring that back leg in super tight like that, it's going to push your momentum around, as well as with your arms coming in, closing, that's going to also push your body around, okay? So this is what a back stoop new looks like. Okay? And that's one back stoop new. And as you see, the feet are going to carry you into the next one, okay? So let's put those two together. Plie, around, plie, around. Okay, so that's the first part. Then it's going to go into two batmas. So from the second around, you just come through a plie, and you're going to brush your back leg straight through as you come up onto the standing leg. First batma, and then go right through it again, second batma. Okay, so that's what this is going to look like. For the batmas, you just keep your arms nice and open. Okay, so all together it's going to look like this.